This is where industrial cassava flour begins, grown across vast farmland, designed for continuous supply. As the plants mature, dense foliage protects the roots growing below. Loosened soil allows cassava roots to expand and store more starch. Beneath the surface, starch-rich roots grow silently for months. Only fully mature roots are approved for industrial processing. Once approved, harvesting equipment is prepared for continuous operation. Entire plants are extracted in one controlled motion. Soil is removed immediately to keep the process clean. Only the root continues. Everything else is separated. Harvested roots are immediately prepared for factory delivery. Before leaving the field, each load is secured and aligned for controlled transport. Protective coverings allow airflow while preventing damage during transit. Harvested cassava is moved quickly to preserve starch quality. Every shipment is logged before entering the processing facility. Inside the facility, traffic is controlled to maintain a constant processing flow. Precise positioning ensures smooth transfer into the intake system. Each load is weighed to track yield and processing efficiency. Gravity feeds the roots directly into the processing line. From this point forward, the factory takes control of the process. The raw cassava stream is unified, preparing it for the first stage of processing. The first wash removes surface soil as roots enter the factory's controlled environment. Inside rotating drums, remaining dirt is scrubbed away through constant motion. Excess water is removed before mechanical processing continues. Damaged or unsuitable roots are removed before cutting begins. The outer skin is removed to expose the starch-rich interior. Waste material is separated and diverted for secondary use. A second rinse ensures no peel residue remains. Consistent slice thickness ensures even moisture removal. The sliced cassava is now prepared for moisture removal. Controlled heat begins the transformation from fresh root to dry material. Drying happens gradually across multiple stages. The drying phase is now complete. Cooling stabilizes the dried material before milling. This hall is where cassava becomes flour. Mechanical force breaks the dried root into fine particles. Freshly milled cassava flour moves onward for refinement. Sieving removes oversized particles, ensuring consistent flour texture. Airflow separates flour by weight and fineness. Metal detection ensures the product is contamination-free. Samples are taken automatically for lab verification. Refined flour is stored in bulk silos for stabilization. Stored flour is conditioned for uniform moisture. The refined cassava flour is now ready for packaging. Each bag is filled and weighed automatically to exact specifications. Seals, labels, and traceability codes are verified instantly. Individual bags are grouped for efficient bulk handling. Pallets are stabilized and labeled for warehouse tracking. Finished cassava flour waits here, ready for distribution. Pallets leave storage and move straight into outbound transport. Every shipment is stabilized and logged before the journey begins. The flour moves across states, linking farms, factories, and markets. Regional hubs break bulk shipments into local supply streams. From here, cassava flour reaches kitchens, factories, and shelves. In commercial kitchens, cassava flour becomes a working ingredient. What began as a harvested root now reaches everyday consumers. After leaving the factory and store shelves, cassava flour enters everyday kitchens. In homes, the flour transforms once again into meals made by hand. Hands pass plates of steaming cassava food. A fork cuts into the dish, showing its texture under soft evening light.